Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making beef tallow sunscreen. This is a naturally derived sun protective cream. So let's get started. First, fill up a pot with water. Put that water on your quick boiler. Place a second bowl on top of the bowl with your water in it. Now we're going to measure out 1/4 cup of beef tallow. I'm using White Oak Pastures grass-fed beef tallow. Now we're going to put this measured out beef tallow into the bowl we placed on top of the bowl with the water. Our next ingredient is beeswax. I'm using Azure Market Organic Beeswax granules. So I need 1/8 cup of that. Our third ingredient is going to be Nature's Promise Organic Coconut Oil, unrefined. We need 1/4 cup of coconut oil. What we did here is we put all the ingredients into a double boiler system that needed to be melted. After these melt completely, we'll add in the rest of our ingredients. Now that this mixture is liquid, let's add in our raspberry seed oil. I'm using simple ingredients raspberry seed oil. Everything that I'm putting into this sunscreen has properties that protects your skin against the sun. You need 1/8 cup of raspberry seed oil. Now we're gonna add in carrot seed oil. I'm using Sulu organic carrot seed oil, 100% pure, unrefined, cold pressed. Add in 1/8 cup. Our next ingredient is jojoba oil. I'm using organic infusion jojoba oil, cold pressed and unrefined. We need 1/8 cup of the jojoba oil. Give this mixture a good mix. Our last ingredient, guys, is going to be our Sky Organics zinc oxide powder. This zinc oxide is non-nano and uncoated. So we need 1/2 cup of this zinc oxide. Whisk the zinc oxide in with your oils. Look guys, that looks like sunscreen. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna let this mixture cool for a little bit in the fridge. Then we're gonna take it out and we're going to use a hand blender to whip it. This sunscreen is so cool, you guys. It is all natural and it's wonderful for your skin. I know you're gonna ask about the SPF of this sunscreen. I've read a lot about it and a lot of people say that this is around a 25 plus SPF. I will put the calculation in the description for you guys. You can use this calculation for your own sunscreen if you'd like. If you want it to be a higher SPF, you would just add more zinc oxide to the sunscreen. Anyways, I'll see you guys back once this sunscreen cools. Okay guys, this lotion is done cooling. Let's whip it. Once you get this to a consistency that you like, it's time to put it into a container. I'm using a silicone bottle. I did sort of brand it a little bit. this one's gonna be for me because I don't think this is the final product, but you know, we'll get it there eventually. I'm gonna use a medicine measuring thing to fill up my silicone bottle. Almost there. And there you have it, a bottle full of sunscreen. I am gonna try this and show you guys that it does not leave your skin white and it rubs in. Look how beautiful it is. Ready? Here we go. It rubs in pretty good, see? Okay. So another thing about this lotion, you do want to reapply just like you reapply other sunscreens. Another thing, this can be kept in glass jars. I would suggest using something like I use for my tallow lotion. I am still selling that, so I'll link it in the description below, and you can also go watch how to make the tallow lotion in this link here. But if you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.